Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we just fitted another StarLine Halo Plus on a 2023 Range Rover Vogue latest edition with only 15 miles on the clock. Customer just picked it up. We fitted a StarLine Immobiliser before, but now we've stepped it up and he's called us back to fit this system. So how the system works is, as soon as I start the vehicle will run. As soon as I select a gear, it will switch off and the customer gets a phone call. Okay, if I now start the vehicle again, put it in park. So now turn it off. If I now start it again, watch it go mad. Okay, as soon as I select a gear, it's going to need a code. So 1, 2, 3. System disarms. Have we heard a double bleep? Okay, so every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, he turns on the main ignition, does his push sequence, receives a double bleep, system is disarmed, start it up, select a gear, drive away. Or you can start the vehicle up, do your push sequence, hear a double bleep, and then obviously drive it away. If I turn on the ignition now, you see we've got no double bleep, system is armed. I'm just going to put a basic code in just to disarm it. So 1, 2, 3, receive our melody. There you go, we can start the vehicle up. Vehicle runs, system is disarmed, drive away. Okay. Also, if I turn off the ignition and turn it back on within 10 seconds, we'll get a double bleep. There you go, to confirm the system is still disarmed. Okay. If I then leave it for about 15 seconds, you'll see when I turn on the ignition, it'll then go covert and the system will be armed. Also, you compare to a phone, so you don't have to do a push sequence. On the phone, you can also put it into valet mode. So if you took it for a service, you obviously don't have to disclose the code. So now let's just turn on the ignition. There you go, no double bleep, we know the system is armed. So let's just arm it now. I'm not going to actually fire it up again and disarm, show the immobiliser, because it's actually going to call the customer. So I'm going to disarm it. Double bleep, there's a go, drive away. Okay. If you want to get one of these fitted, as I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 0289060478.